Ever wondered how primary data is collected for market research? It's not as complex as it might seem. Primary data is information that's collected directly from the source. It's raw, unfiltered, and unmanipulated. This first-hand information is crucial in market research as it helps businesses understand their target audience along with their specific needs and preferences. So, you see, the process of collecting primary data isn't a mystery. It's a systematic method that follows certain steps. So, you ask, how do we gather primary data? Well, the journey begins with identifying the research problem. It's like setting your GPS before you embark on a trip. You need to know where you're going, right? Next, we define the population of interest. This is essentially deciding who or what we want to study. Then, we roll up our sleeves and get to work on developing the research design. This involves deciding on the data collection method. Will we use surveys, interviews, observations, or experiments? It's all about choosing the right tool for the job. Once we've got that sorted out, it's time to collect the data. This is where the rubber meets the road. We're out there gathering information, one data point at a time. After the collection process, we sort and prepare the data for analysis. It's a bit like cleaning up after a big meal. It might seem like a lot, but each step has its own significance and adds value to the data collected. So to quickly recap, remember that primary data is raw, unfiltered information collected straight from the source. This collection process involves identifying a research problem, defining the target population, establishing a research design, gathering the data, and then prepping it for analysis. All these steps ensure the data's accuracy and relevance. The next time you come across a market research report, remember the meticulous process that went into gathering that primary data. And that wraps up our quick guide to collecting primary data in market research.